Welcome back. I hope all is well. Today is another video for you all. I do gotta say, having a suggestion in the comments is very helpful. Gives me more creative ideas for me to put on paper. In my comments yesterday, I asked my supporters what I should draw. A person suggested Kendrick Lamar. I said, okay, let's spice things up. How should he look like? The person then replied back with, let's try Death Note style. I basically said, you got it. Man, I was excited, so I didn't want to let him down, so I grabbed my book this morning and started sketching an outline for this project. Start with the head moving down towards the body with all different types of shapes too. Keep in mind what goes where, almost like a puzzle. That like my favorite part when doing this. I even put to square to be a guide of where the hands are gonna be. Then once I got that down, I go straight for the face with bunch of shading techniques, where it comes together, naturally giving it realism to my piece. That's a big goal of mine, is to make sure it looks like it's coming out from the page. If don't look human or real, then it isn't done right. It can be very, very challenging at times, but that's okay. That's why we have eraser for to off any unwanted stuff. Sometimes using eraser is a good thing. It could also be used to make highlights for cheekbones and other things, but like the nose and face, to make it pop out more. Also, even Q-tips are a good tool for blending. If you don't want to get your fingers dirty, then I highly recommend trying that option. Thank you all for watching.